Well, most of the people have a so-called earthworm. Well, here in Austria it is the snowworm. What I have here is the Bushcraft knife from LT Wright. It is the GNS Scandi with micarta handles, leather sheath with a fire steel loop on the side, and as you can see, awesome fit and finish, great looking pins, rivets, and even a lanyard hole at the back of the handle. It's a full tang blade, nice sharp edge, made out of 01 tool steel. The knife fits very well in the hand. You have a slightly oval shape to it, and the blade length is around 4.5, maybe 5 inches. There is the logo from LT Wright. Yes, this steel will rust on you. You have a nice pointy tip, and it is a great looking bushcraft knife. So let's try out this baby here, make a real field test and check what this knife can do. Feather sticking, no problem. Very, very nice. Well, you need a bushcraft knife, mostly for carving, for creating feather sticks, maybe sometimes for batoning. But all in all, this knife works really great. The knife sheath, which is very important to me, is well made. The stitching is awesome. The fire steel loop is very good. The dangling part is really nice, although you can't undo it, but you can slide the dangler down here and feed your belt through the regular belt loop right there, which is pretty wide. The sheath fits the knife very snug. The spine is very sharp too, which I want to show you right now. Right off these feathers here. By scraping with the spine, look how sharp this spine is. Look at that. Those awesome fine shavings from the inner side of the wood makes great tinder for the fire steel. Look at this stuff. This is super fluffy right there. So I hope you like this small field test of this awesome bushcraft knife. I've used it in several other videos, like my traps I've built, and also in some other videos. So if you came across, that's the knife. And I put a link in the description box down below where you can order your knife or have a look at LT Wright's collection of knives that he's making. If you like what you see, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, share this video with your friends, with your family. Until next time, Mike out.